Hey, we hit 700 subscribers. I'm so excited. This is fantastic. Thanks everyone for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. I also have a little treat for you. If you are curious, maybe you're a consultant, maybe you're a coach, and you're like, I am so tired of tire kickers booking strategy sessions with me, booking calls with me, canceling, ghosting, all this kind of stuff. Well, I created a short little video that will help you take care of that problem. So if you want to check it out, just go to authorityattracts.com/more clients. Check it out. So just a short little video. Click on the description. I put the description right below. And again, man, this is exciting. I'm at 700 subscribers. And guess what? We're on our way to 800 subscribers. So thanks a lot. I'll see you guys over there. Bye for now.